how to fix Netflix error code NW-3-6. So right now I got this problem. All you're gonna have to do is to go to your home page, close your Netflix, and check your internet connection. So this problem appears when your device cannot connect to Netflix because of a network connection or DNS problem. So go to your internet connection settings, network and internet of your TV, and try to turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi. So make sure that you reconnect your internet connection. Let me just click this, connect, and connect it successfully. I'm gonna try open my Netflix and it's still not working for me. So the next step is to turn off your TV and disconnect your TV and wait at least 30 seconds. Meanwhile, check if your router is working. After 30 seconds, plug it in again and turn on your TV. As you can see in the right upper corner area, it's connected using Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna try open my Netflix and it's finally working. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.